With CalGet, you can allow users to subscribe to your calendars with ease, collecting valuable subscriber information and easily customizing the look and feel of your calendar page to align with your brand. In this video, we'll explore how to create a subscription calendar, manage events, and engage with your audience seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started. We're going to create a new subscription calendar. Here, we can give our calendar a name, a style, for which now will be default, and a description explaining what type of events will be added to this calendar. Before we add any events, let's head to the Subscribers tab and toggle the setting to collect subscriber information. Here, we can also edit the form to stipulate what fields we want to include and what information we want to collect from our subscribers. Once we have our live calendar link, we can share it to the world and collect subscriber information. Let's now go ahead and add an event to this calendar. As we add the event, the calendar option is already pre-selected, so no need to choose it from the drop-down. Once our calendar has been created and published to the world, on our live link, our subscribers can add their details and add the calendar to the platform of their choice. As subscribers follow our calendar, the list in the Subscribers tabs grows, which we can see and even export to a CSV file. If we want to customize the appearance of our calendar page, we can do this with ease. We can add a logo, change our colors, and of course, give our theme a name. We can also click into a subscriber to see their information. If for any reason we need to block the subscriber's access, we can do so with the click of a button. From collecting subscriber information to customizing the calendar page and managing events with ease, you have all the tools to create an engaging and efficient calendar experience. Start sharing your calendar with the world with CalGet today.